All right, Tyler's got my truck tore all apart, stuff everywhere. Going back together with our S&B Cold Air Intake. What's up?
What's up?
Got my ace mechanic on top of this one. And by the way, that's the T and the GT customs, by the way, Tyler. This actually isn't too bad of an install at all. We'll finish up here and we'll take a few more videos and see what it looks like finished. All right, looks like we got her done. Tyler got her done. That's what she looks like. We just put the battery post back on. Now we're going to get inside and disable the air filter deal in the computer on the truck, and we should be good to go.